Pricing looks like a small decision, but it is one of the most powerful decisions in business. When the price is too low, a business can sell many products and still struggle to survive because the profit is not strong enough. When the price is too high, customers may decide to buy from someone else even if the product itself is good. So pricing is not about guessing. Pricing is about understanding your costs, understanding your customers, and positioning your product in a way that supports the long-term health of your business. In this video, we will walk through how to price a product step by step. You will learn a clear method you can use to calculate your price, evaluate the market, choose the right pricing strategy, and adjust your price as your business grows. By the end of this video, you should be able to look at your product and confidently decide what price makes sense. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Before we proceed, what is product pricing? Product pricing is the process of deciding how much customers will pay for a product while ensuring the business remains profitable. That definition sounds simple, but behind that number sits an important balance. A good price must cover the real cost of producing and delivering the product. It must leave enough room for profit so the business can grow. At the same time, the price must make sense to the customer within the market where the product is being sold. When those three elements work together, pricing becomes powerful. Pricing also sends a message. Customers often interpret price as a signal of value. When a product is priced in a way that reflects its quality, design, usefulness, or experience, customers are more likely to trust the product. But when pricing is inconsistent with the value being offered, confusion appears. So when entrepreneurs learn how to price a product, they are not just choosing a number. They are communicating value. Why pricing decisions are important. Pricing decisions influence many parts of a business. They influence revenue because every sale depends on the price. They influence profit because the price determines how much money remains after costs are covered. They also influence customer psychology because people often use price to judge quality. This is why pricing deserves careful thought rather than quick guesses. Research by McKinsey & Company shows that even a 1% improvement in price can increase operating profits by up to 11%. That statistic shows how powerful pricing can be. A small improvement in price can strengthen the financial health of an entire business. But to reach that point, entrepreneurs must understand how to build a price step by step. The step-by-step method to price a product. If you want to price a product correctly, there is a process you can follow. Instead of guessing or copying competitors blindly, this method helps you build your price from solid information. The process involves understanding your cost, defining your profit margin, studying the market, understanding customer value, choosing a pricing model, testing your price, and reviewing it regularly. Let us go through each step carefully. Step 1. Calculate total product cost. Start by identifying every cost involved in producing and delivering the product. Many entrepreneurs start with materials, which is correct, but materials alone do not represent the full cost of the product. You must also include labor used to create the product, packaging materials, and any production expenses connected to making the product ready for sale. Beyond those obvious costs, there are also operational expenses that support the business. These include rent for your workspace, electricity, internet, marketing costs, and administrative expenses. Even though these costs are not physically inside the product, they still support the production and sale of the product. If you ignore these costs, your final price may look profitable but actually weaken your business. Let us use a simple example. Imagine it costs you $20 to buy materials for a product. Packaging costs $2. Payment processing fees add another $1. When you include the portion of rent, utilities, and marketing allocated to that product, your total cost may rise to $28. That $28 becomes your total unit cost. Without calculating this carefully, it becomes impossible to price your product correctly. Step 2. Decide your profit margin. Once you understand your total cost, the next step is deciding how much profit you want to make on each unit sold. Profit margin is the percentage of profit you add above your cost. Different industries operate with different margins. Some retail businesses may aim for margins around 50%, while electronics or hardware businesses may operate closer to 20%. Your margin should reflect your business goals, industry standards, and brand positioning. Let us continue with our earlier example. If your total unit cost is $28 and you want a 40% profit margin, your selling price must be higher than $28 in order to generate that margin. Using the margin formula, the final price may land around $47. That price now covers your cost and leaves room for profit. This step ensures your business remains financially sustainable. Step 3. Research the market. The third step is researching the market and your competitors. Look at products that are similar to yours. Study their price range. But do not only look at price. Look at how the product is packaged, the brand reputation, delivery speed, customer service, and the overall experience customers receive. All these factors influence how customers judge value. Market research helps you understand the realistic range where your product can exist. If similar products sell between $40 and $60, pricing your product at $100 may require stronger branding and clear differentiation. On the other hand, pricing at $20 may undervalue the product and reduce profit unnecessarily. Market awareness keeps your price grounded in reality. Step 4. Understand customer value. Customers rarely buy products simply because they are cheap. They buy because they believe the product solves a problem, saves time, improves their life, or delivers a desirable experience. This means you must understand what your customer cares about most. Some customers value convenience. Others value quality or durability. Some customers value design, brand story, or sustainability. When you understand what matters most to your customer, you can price your product in a way that reflects the value they see. Pricing that reflects customer value feels fair and convincing. Step 5. Choose a pricing model. Some businesses use cost-plus pricing where they calculate cost and add a fixed markup. Others use competitive pricing where they position their price slightly above or below competitors. Premier brands often use value-based pricing, where the price reflects the perceived value of the product rather than only the cost. Step 6. Test your price. Before fully committing to a price, businesses sometimes test different price points with smaller audiences. This may involve limited launches, pre-orders, or A/B testing. Testing helps entrepreneurs see how real customers respond to the price. Sometimes a slightly lower price increases sales volume significantly. Other times a slightly higher price increases profit without affecting demand. Testing reveals the truth. Step 7. Review your pricing regularly. The final step is reviewing and adjusting your price regularly. Business environments change. Costs increase, competitors adjust their prices, and customer expectations evolve. Smart businesses review their pricing several times each year to make sure it still reflects their costs, their market, and their value. Pricing is not something you decide once and forget. It is something you monitor as the business grows. Now that you understand the steps used to price a product, I hope you go back and review your process if you were not getting it right. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. If you want to explore the full guide on how to price a product, visit entrepreneurs.ng, https://entrepreneurs.ng/how-to-price-a-product/ and read the complete article. You will find deeper explanations, examples, and practical insights to help you price your products confidently. And if you want more practical business education like this, subscribe to the entrepreneurs.ng channel. We are rooting for you.